One killed in attack by suspected Kuki militants at Thamnapukpi, Maningkwarangtak in Bishnupur district. Agri villagers dissatisfied over government's failure to protect them. People rushed into hesitation at Kwakaitil Akam Laikai Airport Road and pelted stones towards army bus over killing at Bishnupur's Thamnapukpi. Border security personnel allegedly opened fires at relief camp opened at Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School in Moirang Lamkai. One villager of Singa Kandangbam, Part 2 Imphal West sustained bullet injuries from attacks by suspected Kuki militants in wee hours. BJP Manipur Pradesh approaches party central leaders to take action on BJP Mizoram for making biased comments on current situation in Manipur. And in view of fresh violence, total curfew imposed in Bishnupur district, also curtain curfew relaxation in Imphal East and Imphal West districts.